Hey guys, so let's get started. As you know, prelims is nearing. There's hardly any time. So now let us begin the plums. And today I'm bringing environment MCQs for you. This is Divya. So now let's practice. So the first MCQ, the vertical section of soil showing the various layers from the surface is also known as soil profile, right? And the various layers are represented by which of the following letters, right? So your options are O, A, E, B, C and R, O, A, E, D, C and R, O, A, B, C, D and R, O, A, E, B, E, B, C and P. So you guys know the drill, right? So you have to think about the answer and write in the comment section, and please write your scores as well, right? So answer is A. The horizons of the soil are represented by the letters O, A, E, B, C and R. So as you can see, O is the humus or organic layer, which is the top. Then is your A, that is top layer. Then E, alluviated horizon. And B, then there is subsoil. C is parent material and R is bedrock. Right? So now the second MCQ, Colonum and Simpobogon. Though they fall under the category of wheat, but they are still helpful as. Your options are indicators of water vapor of the air, in the air, sorry. Then indicator of air pollution, indicators of good and bad soil, and then indicators of presence of foreign invasive species. So guys, let us see the answer now. Answer is C. They are categorized as wheat, but they are indicators as well. They are helpful as indicators of good and bad soils. So Scolanum occurs in rich soils, while Simpobogon denotes poor, light soil, and sedges are found in the in-drilled soil. So very important MCQ. The third MCQ. In which way biodiversity does not contribute positively to the environment? Right? Very easy question. So the um, first statement, volcanic eruption. Second, prevention of soil erosion. Third, generation of waste. Then fourth, pollination of crops. Codes are given. The answer codes 1, 2 and 3 only, 2 and 4 only, 1 and 3 only, and 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? So now let us see the answer. Answer is C, 1 and 3 only. That is volcanic eruption and generation of waste. So here they are asking does not contribute, right? Which way it does not contribute positively. So it does not, biodiversity does not cause volcanic eruptions, and generation of waste does not contribute positively to the environment, right? So as you know, biodiversity is very essential for the processes that support earth on life on earth, including human beings, right? So there's so much that biodiversity does for us. Now the fourth MCQ, an Indian animal species that has its last refuge in the surrounding areas of Great Run of Kutch in Gujarat area, in Gujarat state. Its natural habitat is threatened due to the destruction of its habitat, and it is categorized under near threatened category by IUCN. So which of the animal could that be? So your options are Indian wild buffalo, Indian wild ass, Indian gazelle, or Indian wild boar. So guys, now let us see the answer. It is B. So the Indian wild ass equus Hemionus khur, also called the Indian onager, or in the local Gujarati language Gudkhur khur. It is a species of the onager native to South Asia. A sandy and saline area is the natural habitat of an Indian wild ass. It has no predators in that area, but its existence is threatened due to the destruction of its habitat, right? And it is categorized under near threatened species by IUCN. Now the final MCQ. Marine upwelling zones are said to increase the marine productivity by which mechanism? Options: by bringing deep cold water to the surface of ocean, by bringing bottom dwelling organisms to the surface, by bringing decomposer microorganisms to the surface, or by bringing marine debris to the surface. Right, now let us see the answer. It is A. So the upwelling, it is a process in which currents bring deep cold water to the surface of the ocean, and it is a result of winds and rotation of earth. And because of this upwelling, these upwelling zones, they increase the marine productivity by bringing the nutrients to the surface. Right, so with this we have completed today's plums. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and share these videos. Thank you.